Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell about how you can do conference call in your Infinix smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open call app and here you have to write the number and click on. You can see when you just click on 1 to 1 like this and click on add call. When you just click on this and click on add call, you have to write this and it will be in conference call. You can see friends, then you have to click on merge and it will be in conference call. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.